Okay, so in the previous video I was unpacking these camping lights from Amazon, and I discovered that all of them are dead. They don't even charging. So let's see what's going on here. So they have a battery compartment here with here we go. Let's see what's going on with the battery. You have like a regular 1850. So hopefully it's just the battery. Let's see what the heck is going on here. Yep, 1850. Let's check it out. Let's measure it quick. Battery is almost dead, 1.2. So we know that who knows how long those things have been in storage that they die before getting to the customer. Who knows how long they have been in the shells. Okay, we got another TC50 here. Let's try that out. This one's a little bit bigger. Alright, here we go. Alright, so okay, and 3 steps. This one is 1, 2. Okay, you just 2 steps this part of the light. This one is 3, this one is 2. Okay. Let's see if the charging circuit works. Alright, yep, now I can see it's almost full the battery. So indicating it's charging 2 watts. Okay, so let's see what we got inside. So let's pull the battery out. So we know that the batteries are bad, so who knows how long has been those lights on Amazon warehouses. So in the back here is no screws under here, and this glue. Okay, so assuming that open through here. Yep, it's open through here. You see the tabs there. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So so we're gonna read the code of manufacturing, what it looks to be. 23rd of the month 3rd, 2023, assuming is what it means. You guys tell me in the comments. You got better idea than me, but that to me could be produced in 23, so it's 2 years in shells since we're in 2025, with reason the batteries are all dead. So a couple screws here. Let's see what else we have here. Whoops. One screw. This little thing that holds the light inside here. Okay, let's keep going. So it's an aluminum PCB, super, okay, an aluminum PCB, super thin. There's not even a millimeter, we assume. So at least that helps to dissipate heat, the LEDs. Then we have the charging circuit here. Of course, the chips has the wipe out the numbers so you don't see what the heck they are. At least this one, which assuming that is the little microcontroller. This is the one for the charge. Let's see if we can read. The one for the charging had the letter, but the other one is wiped out. Let's see if we can read it. Here we go, a TP433. So that is the regular power delivery charging controller. Nothing too crazy. Let's keep going. So we are here already. Let's keep going. See what else inside here. Alright. Alright. Okay. Yep. Nothing else. There's a couple of transistors in this side, assuming they are controlling the. You see? Yeah, they go to the output. Yep, they're controlling the output here. From this side, goes to this side, goes to the LED. Yeah, so basically these three transistors, the one who control the lights. And in this side you have whatever that is controlling the indicator, all those modes, the microcontroller, and then this guy, the one who taking charge of the battery. At least they don't went too cheap in this sense. Alright guys, so that's pretty much what you're getting for your money here. In this particular case, I will be returning them because I pay for having it with working lights. Most likely I'm gonna replace the battery if something, but I want to get a set light that works. Alright guys, so I hope that this video was interesting. I'll be coming with some more stuff. Just keep subscribe, like if you would like to see this kind of content, to know what you're paying for, what your money is getting. Alright guys.